How to fix the issue of you can't access certain settings on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of certain settings are not available for few days. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go to Profile and click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then navigate to Account Center and click on Password Detail. There you need to see which other devices is your account logged in. So simply choose all the device and click on the logout option. After that, you need to go back. Simply go to the help section. There you need to choose the option of report a problem. You can see at the top. Again click on report a problem without checking. And after that, you can click on include and continue and explain your problem here in brief. If you want, you can even upload a screenshot where it says you can't access certain settings for few days. And that's all. Just by following these easy steps, you will be able to fix the issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.